Hi everyone. Have you ever heard of the 80-20 rule? It's also known as the Pareto principle. And it basically says that roughly 80% of the effects often comes from the 20% of the causes. Like 80% of a company's revenue might come from the 20% of its product, or 80% of the software bugs might be caused by the 20% of the code modules. To visualize this and help with the prioritization, we use something called Pareto chart. A Pareto chart is pretty cool because it's actually a combination of two charts. One is the bar chart and another is the line graph. The bar represent different categories or causes like types of customer complaints or sources of defects in a software or different product lines. These bars are arranged in a descending order of frequency or impact from left to right. So the tallest bar on the left is of the biggest contributor. The line graph on a Pareto chart shows the cumulative percentage. As you move from left to the right, this line adds up the percentage of the each bar. So the line starts at the percentage of the first bar, then adds to the second bar's percentage, and so on until it reaches the 100 percentage. The magic happens when you look at both together. The Pareto chart makes it super easy to see which few categories, like the vital fews on the left, are responsible for the bulk of the problems or the outcomes. You can quickly identify that 20% of the factors are causing 80% of the issues or generating 80% of the revenue. This is incredibly useful for prioritization because it tells you where to focus your efforts for the biggest impact. Why spend time on a tiny issue when you can tackle one of the big ones that's causing most of the trouble? So if you're looking at, say, reasons for the product returns, a Pareto chart would quickly show you top two or three reasons that account for the vast majority of the returns. This helps businesses make smarter decisions about where to invest their resources to improve things. It's all about finding the most impactful factors so you can work smarter, not just harder. A really neat tool for focusing your attention. So that was all about the Pareto chart. You can definitely try using it in your data and see how the visualization work and how you are able to identify the 20% of the maybe problems or concerns that are a result of the 80% of your outcome. So definitely worth a try. I'll come up with the next visualization in the next video. So till then, keep studying.